Hello everyone, this is part 2 of Obby But You're a Bird. So, I cannot skip any levels now because, well, I accidentally wiped my progress. So, we're just going to have to continue. So I'm going to fast forward on some. Yes, I had to get all the way back to level 7, which I just did off camera. So let's play. Okay. I don't know why there should be spikes on the bridge. Or maybe that's nails. Yes, I'm pink. I don't know, is it pink or orange or coral color? I don't know. This is a lot. Woof. Okay, got it. Long jump. Here, let's see if I can get a bullseye. 3, 2, go! Yes, I missed one. Yes, I got 100. Okay. They did that way too easy. So let's climb up. More spinning clouds. Not a huge fan of them. Whoa! Did you see that? I almost fell. Okay. This is a twist. It's like no room to jump. But I did it. Okay. Maybe we should jump on the torch. No. Keep going. That hole is getting deeper and deeper. Let's keep going. Almost fell, like always. How am I supposed to jump with this right here? Go slowly. I thought I died. Go. Okay, got it. Go up here. Really? Right on the torch. I burned my little feet like a million times now. Go up and over. Why is it so dark now? And I can't turn up my brightness. Okay, got it. I think. Oh my, double spikes up there? That shouldn't be too bad. I just can't fall. Okay, made it. 2 more meters and there should be a checkpoint. Oh my, no checkpoints, really? Okay. Do I go up on the tree? Oh no, I have to go over here. So these were the shapes that I was talking about. They switch back and forth and you have to count. So when you go to jump onto the first one, you have to, while you're standing on it, you go 1, 2, then jump. I'll show you. 1, 2. And there you go, you made it. Okay. Well, I don't know if I saw lag or not. Do we really have to do this? 1, 2. Okay. There's the checkpoint. Now here's the hard part. Fantastic. Okay. Just wait. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. There we go. We got it. First try. Oh my, I can't even climb anymore. Okay. So, is there only one? Okay, plan. There I was down there. Bye, bird bath. Ah, no! Well, I'm going back to the bird bath. Because I want to. Yay. Heated bird bath. So nice. Okay, I made it back. Now I gotta do the whole thing over again. I'm gonna ask this Hey, Bluebird. Tip for the shapes. I'm just helping this guy.